In the previous video, we talked about the while loop. Now we will talk about the do while loop. Are you ready? Let's go. Do while loop. It is a repetition, an expression that repeats itself until it becomes false. It is very similar to the while loop. The condition is placed at the end of the block. This way, the code blocks are useful to run at least once. Now we will do the same example as last time for the other loops. We will type do, and after we display count value is, count plus, and count plus plus. And at the end we will type the same thing as for while. So while between parentheses count is different from 6. Before we run the code, we will initialize our count. And we will display a message that will allow us to separate it from the other loops. And we run the code. And as we can see, it is exactly the same as with other loops. Just like for the for and while loops, here it is an initialization. It is an expression that initializes the loop. Here the ending and expression is estimated before each loop execution. And finally an increment, an expression that is estimated each time an iteration is done. It was all for the loops. See you next time.